MeltDrops, a diet supplement that supposedly helps you lose weight insanely fast. Look at these happy customers. They're holding the bottle, except no, they're not. Let's zoom in. That bottle looks pasted in, or the whole image is AI, or edited so badly it needs its own warning label, and this supplement is supposedly recommended by Dr. Sanjay Gupta. Yeah, sure. Let's look. This is the Facebook video I found. We've got Dr. Gupta, Oprah, random people, all talking about some gelatin recipe trick that melts weight fast. Sounds amazing, and naturally they never give you the recipe. At the end they say, click the link, watch the full video. That's where the secret is revealed. So let's do that. The link takes me to a site that looks like a health article. Big health header. Author, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, updated 30 minutes ago. Wow, so fresh, so real. The headline says, Dr. Gupta reveals the gelatin recipe to lose 15 pounds before June ends. Great. Finally, the magic recipe, there's a video, news outlet logos, and a huge comment section. Everyone is thanking Dr. Gupta. Everyone says the recipe works. But look closer. The comments are one frozen block of text. You can't like, you can't reply, you can't click anything. So it's fake. A fake comment section built to make you think thousands of people tried this and loved it. Now the news logos, same trick. They're just images, not links. They don't go anywhere. Click them, nothing. These media companies are not recommending this recipe. They have nothing to do with it. Back to the video. It goes on forever. Regular people, celebrities, before and after photos, everyone praising this mysterious gelatin trick. And the whole time it feels like any second now they'll tell us the ingredients, but they never do. They show Dr. Gupta again, freeze frame. Look at the bottle on the table, another red flag. The label text looks fake. The bottle looks generated or edited in. So what happens if you watch until the end? Still no recipe. Instead, they reveal the real point. A supplement called MeltDrops. Apparently it contains the gelatin recipe in its best form. How convenient. Then a hidden sales block appears. Buy MeltDrops now, only a few bottles left. Limited stock, hurry. The more you buy, the cheaper it gets. Free shipping, 60-day guarantee, easy returns, and then come the badges. Look at them. They're supposed to prove the product is legit, but again, they're just images. No links, no certificates, no real verification, and the FDA approved badge? That is not an official thing for this type of supplement. It's just another fake trust signal. Let's scroll. Now we get the reviews, happy customers, amazing results. Of course, pay attention to this before and after collage. Let's reverse image search it, and there it is. The same photo is everywhere. Random diet sites, other supplements, different product pages. Here it's Slim Bliss, here it's Eco Slim, and there are more. So this is not a real MeltDrops customer. It's a recycled image, stock photo, AI image, or just fake. Either way, it has nothing to do with MeltDrops. Keep scrolling. Now we get the Who is Dr. Sanjay Gupta section. They claim Dr. Gupta is behind the MeltDrops formula. The whole page is designed to make you believe he personally recommends this supplement. So let's check reality. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has publicly warned people about scams using his face, voice, and clips from real videos. Scammers use that material to sell supplements. He is not connected to these products. So what happens if we actually try to buy? Click the MeltDrops button, and now we land on a totally different site. Same playbook, 5-star rating, badges, FDA approved, made in USA, GMO free, and of course, the sale is ending any second. Dozens of people are supposedly on the page right now. The rating is sky high. The discount is over 50%. Everything is built to rush you. Buy fast. Don't think, just pay. And there's the same photo from the start. Full circle, the happy customers who are not real customers at all. But maybe there are real reviews somewhere. The MeltDrops pages claim there are tons of satisfied buyers. So I checked Trustpilot. And for MeltDrops, 0 reviews. Nothing. So let's recap. Fake looking images, fake comments, fake news logos, fake badges, recycled before and after photos, a fake Dr. Gupta endorsement, and no real Trustpilot reviews. All of this exists for one reason, to sell you MeltDrops. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp.